friends, welcome to my first episode of 3 Hacks to Master Public Speaking. And today we are gonna talk about icebreaker speech. Icebreaker, first speech of your speaking journey. So much excitement, but at the same time, lot of nervousness. How I will prepare the speech? Am I going to forget the content? How I will deliver that? All these kind of questions in my mind. So friends, what we will learn today, how do we master icebreaker speech? And we will discuss on how we can use these 3 hacks to master that icebreaker speech. So shall we get started? I have structured this complete preparation in 3 buckets, and that is what I'm calling them 3 hacks. First is, how do you develop the speech content? Second is, what kind of precautions you should take before you actually start? And third, how you deliver that speech in front of the audience. It could be live audience, or if you are giving the speech through online. So first is developing the speech content, and in that the first hack is building the speech framework. So how your speech should have very good exciting start, some kind of hook which will excite the audience and they will get ready for your story. And how you are going to do that? It is by introducing yourself by means of some kind of catchy way, because it will refresh the overall experience for audience and they will stay hooked to your speech. And third, and which is most important within this, is writing your content, correcting that, practicing it again, reading it again and again correcting that, and finally making it ready for that D-Day. Second, now that D-Day is there, you are ready to deliver your speech. It is your first speech of the life. You are so excited. So how do you really get ready for that? And first check for you is that getting the technology ready. Whatever system you are going to use, your mic, your speaker, your Zoom meeting, and in case it is a live face-to-face speech, just getting comfortable with the overall ambience over there. So just check their technology, because if something happens in between, it is going to make you nervous and you may forget your content. So it is really good idea to really start early for that meeting and check all the technologies. It is something very must and fundamental. Second is, when you are going to have this first speech, give yourself some professional look. Wear jacket, tie if it is possible. Even if it is not, just wear a collared shirt. Only one request is that minimum, please do not use round neck t-shirt. You should really look professional. And third hack within this content is, before you start, take a deep breath. It will help you to calm down. It will calm your nerves, your excitement, and it will make you ready for the actual speech delivery. Now let's come to final hack bucket, and within that we will talk about 3 hacks again. The first is maintaining continuous eye contact with your audience. I know first speech you are nervous, but having that eye contact will ensure you that your audience is still interested in you. They want to listen your story. So have that eye contact, and it will ensure their engagement with your story. Second is, try to speak with natural gestures because it will bring liveliness, excitement in your speech. That is what something audience will like about you, about your story, and it will also show your enthusiasm, your excitement to tell your story to all the audience, and that will get you a good engagement from the audience side. And third, have a strategic pauses. Being a first speech, it is very much possible that you have intention to finish it as early as possible, but take those pauses, strategic pauses. And in case sometime you feel that you are forgetting the content, use those pauses to recollect your thoughts and stories and resume your speech again with the same excitement. So my friends, as I said earlier, I'm not expert. I'm still learning. Very recently, I delivered my icebreaker and I leverage this structure to prepare my content, practice it, and deliver it very effectively. And I wanted to share that with you. So next time, I will share that live performance with all of you, and it will be a nice experience for you to listen to that and practice it for your own content. So stay tuned to my channel, 3 Hacks to Master Public Speaking. Thank you. Thank you very much.